everybody, Holly here from HolliDay AnyDay, and I've got another Tipsy Tuesday tip for you. Well, I don't know about you, but I have tons of lemons on my trees at my house. And if I don't pick them, the little critters are gonna get them. So I always wanna try and figure out a way to save the juice and not have it go to waste. So what I do is I juice a bunch of lemons at once, and I've got these cute little handy dandy ice cube trays, kind of old school, huh? And this is actually Meyer lemon juice. You can see it's a little bit orangey yellow. Look at that, that's a cup. Look at that, okay? Then these have little lids. Careful, it'll keep it from getting smelly in there. And then all you do is pop them out when you need them. I can use them in a cocktail. I can pop them in water. I can pop them in a recipe. It's easy breezy.